Pan-seared, steamed asparagus. There is no better way. Trust me when I tell you this. Screaming hot pan, crust them, sear them, and steam them in the same pan at the same time. And you see me kind of pushing it into the bottom of the pan. I want to make certain it has good contact so I can get it crust. A little bit of salt goes on top. The lid's on for about 2.5 minutes. I'm gonna let some steam build up. All right, now, you see me continuing to press it into the bottom of the pan. Just a little touch of water goes in, put the lid back on, another 2.5 minutes. You really do only need a small amount of water. The idea is not to drown the pan, but create steam. Crust them, sear them, and steam them in the same pan at the same time. The first time you try this method with any of your vegetables, I guarantee you're gonna be hooked for life. So much flavor, vibrancy, and healthful properties. You'll absolutely love this one, guarantee it. Please don't forget to like and follow. See you in the next video.